Every year, the world produces over 4 billion tons of concrete waste. That's enough to bury entire cities. So what if I told you most of it doesn't have to end up in a landfill? Instead of sending all that concrete to landfills, it can be crushed and reused to make new concrete using something called Recycled Concrete Aggregate, or RCA. This approach has the potential to make construction much more sustainable by reducing construction waste, conserving natural resources, and lowering carbon emissions. But here's the catch. The main challenge is that recycled concrete is usually a little weaker than conventional concrete, especially when fine recycled aggregates are used. So does that mean recycled concrete is a dead end? Not even close. This reduction in strength can be significantly improved with better mix designs, proper curing methods, and treatments such as adding silica fume or using carbon dioxide mineralization to strengthen the recycled aggregates. The future of recycled concrete isn't just about making it stronger, it's about making it smarter. Standardized quality control, improved mix design methods, and digital technologies like building information modeling, digital twins, and machine learning could help engineers produce more reliable and sustainable concrete. Recycled concrete is also showing great promise in exciting applications such as 3D printed concrete, geopolymer concrete, and ultra-high performance concrete. So, could the buildings of the future be made from the rubble of the past? As these technologies continue to develop, recycled concrete could become a mainstream building material, helping the construction industry move toward a more sustainable and circular future. If you found this interesting, hit subscribe to Sustinviro for more of these, and let me know in the comments what other construction materials you'd like me to cover next.